The president also promised people in Iowa that Senate Republicans will fix their health care problems. Iowa will have just one insurer participating in next year's Obamacare marketplace.
I hope we're going to surprise you with a really good plan. You know, I've been talking about a plan with heart. I said add some money to it. A plan with heart. But Obamacare is dead.
Later today, Senate Republican leaders will release the full text of their health care bill to repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act. Nancy Cordes is on Capitol Hill. Nancy, good morning.
Good morning. The draft of this bill has been kept virtually under lock and key, but will be revealed this morning in a meeting for all Republican senators. Here's what we know so far based on Republican leaders and their conversations with us and with aides. This bill is about 200 pages. It's called a discussion draft because they can still make changes to it based on feedback from their members. And like the House bill, it's going to do away with large swaths of Obamacare, including the individual mandate and Obamacare's taxes. But the Senate version would not cut Medicaid as quickly as the House GOP version would. It will also keep more of Obamacare's protections in place for people with pre-existing conditions than the House bill would. And the tax credits in the Senate bill for people who are on the individual market would be based on income, not on age like the House bill, so people who have less income would get more assistance. Now, one key piece of data that we probably won't get today is an independent analysis from the Congressional Budget Office. You'll recall that the CBO projected that 23 million Americans would lose coverage under the House bill, so Republican senators are going to want to see what the CBO has to say before they decide how to vote on this bill. So Republican leaders, Gayle, are hoping that the CBO weighs in by Monday at the latest because they want to hold a vote next week.
All right. Thank you very much, Nancy.